Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Careers Without 4 Years. My name is Melanie Dunn. I'm a workforce development professional, and I want to help you guys find out where the opportunity is in today's job market for great careers that don't require 4-year degrees. The economy has changed, and today 50% of jobs need some education beyond high school, but not 4-year degrees, and that's where most of the jobs are. So, we're going to talk all about those jobs on the middle path between college and the military. We'll be talking about how to train for them as well. We're going to be talking about those jobs that require an AA degree, a certification, a boot camp, or an apprenticeship. Also, I want to help you guys find affordable education and training, and even free training. Now, we don't do much career education in the U.S. schools. So a lot of people don't know a lot about how many jobs are out there. And there are over 1,000 of them. And they're in all industries: healthcare, tech, advanced manufacturing, the trades, and many others. And sometimes just a little more education can really get you a great job on a new career path and increase your bottom line a lot. So if you're out there in the gig economy, maybe juggling several jobs and kind of struggling with that, or you're bored at your current job and you just are looking for some new direction, or you're in high school and you don't have any idea about your career path, yet everyone is pushing you to enroll in college, you've come to the right place. We're going to talk about that here. We're also going to help you find affordable training and even free training. So, we're going to hear stories and interviews with professionals who love what they do and make a good living at it. And it'll probably give you out there some new ideas about doing some work you never thought of before. So we're going to be talking to women who are in occupations that aren't traditional for them, like welding and electricians. We're going to be also talking about technology roles and just explaining what those are, because a lot of people don't really know what all these tech occupations do on a daily basis. So we'll be bringing you that. We're telling you about all the programs there are out there in advanced manufacturing, which there's some wonderful careers out there that pay really well, and of course the trades. We are a stigma-free zone here. There are some wonderful careers in the trades, folks. And if you want to run your own business someday, if you're independent, if you like to fix things and build things, there's some wonderful careers in the trades, and we're going to talk to those professionals too. So all I ask is that you keep an open mind. Please leave your suggestions and your thoughts in the comments so that I can build more content about what you're interested in. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. There's so many people that are interested in earning more money and finding a more interesting job.